Heartful currently didn't come over pre. All say or fortunate time in Nabuana.
Okay.
Because your season nevi into or an ample time say or the organizing no pay the right person for the job. Na NSA no you komo.
Okay. So
you pay dear the PRO for Accra Heartful.
Kwame
Pariado Ebaba Bekana.
So yenye say preko. The weekend edition say week ni na stories aba. Top one say entiman touch ni ye no. Ana yedi hu nkomo ende. So Jude ba for ma mention say fa free ho. Yemi baby ade e be fa bia. Then na fifi enso ni Josia enso abam na yetimi the time ni bi ama ye college because ene wo matter na de me ye college no for SG mo na ye ko. So ma mintio.
Okay. Me da si Joe. Adeni Gabi. Uni mami starting with the issue of Heartfolk. And I say for Black Stars mom dey start kakra.
Okay.
The issue of Black Stars the recall ne hon sensem any adeni nyina. See mama adu akwa ko pejansem bebre de abakruma. Menim say what be. But bro, the point is that yentiase say national team no enye obi abona fight property. And at the moment you be catch us here convince a player say naturalize it, farmer or minor. And no doesn't necessarily imply say automatically you have a slot or a spot. No. And just see who say who potential. Say Obama ya ebeboa. And to the moment you be sad no, and me mo be am fine him say you convince you because maybe in any case Derek Cohn him say Oko Germany definitely I'm going to make up the squad. Onim me pacha otie onu ankasa onim that is the reality and otie so we Ghanaian and Germany for a convince no man naturalize at the moment player na ankasa for now obetimi apade no because onu ankasa but in some na e we chire no enti na make kan sa say sanka Germany a convince the recon and no naturalize at the moment and no would you say by virtue of the fact say one naturalize the amount, hence automatically also man the slot. It doesn't work like that. Why the fuse? And then also wait me kokoye issue. Of course, we'll be on say or bet share the candid opinion. But a drew baby a mem ye nyema and conquest. I say asem kesi BSc. But your minimum so any point na. I say asem kesi no, it is never an issue. Me Black Stars on no. I didn't hear me here. Utie. Mo be a certainly nipa tu near drop your meboa. Now, bro, unim the entire coach, no. I decided to offer 5 keepers. No, I did a trade you. A say on yes, certain as to the obey number 1. On one case, a goalkeeping department in Ankasano, sad department and yes, settled. Sanka straight a one come back with free and ameboa. And make I idea be utie. Share history at say. Take through the goalkeeping department. Where you say ujana hobi ashe Obi ani ho ye safe. At the intina make us I say assassin me bo. The impression was at Ziggy number 1. Anytime one. Ya be fra Benjamin Asare no. Ye nim so Benjamin Asare de oba ba be hwe chire de amati Ziggy. Meboa. Sasa na eti and na story no etene and a bear says the same crowd Benjamin Asare aba be number 1 atizigi aba ba Asare be number 1 per se de eniema kwa ni at a point Black Stars consistently na Benjamin Asare and the love amount for Baba Benjamin no regardless of a mistake or two anywhere generally oda ni Baba Benjamin no and Asare Solomon Agbeshi o should training na ekoso any report I na yenya edi adanse say Agbesi betimi akọ bibia betimi esi eno na make catch o mo say emre bia be say atwam ko and the Rato Medjikovic doya so kai no coach na no to mo jaduro no oni me ntia be kansa o refisa no ye aduro bi advert mo jaduro advert we are starting with
enunchi na yes
sa coach no okay say at a point in time you see a number 1 sure bet was Samia J.
Yeah, of course.
Samia J was a number 1 sure bet. Then we had George O from the then go forth one of the finest keepers are your system. Go there, you pa George Kigali. Oh, we had George Owu as well. And then yes, Sansuka Philemon McCarthy. So I can Philemon McCarthy.
Yeah, of course.
And Rachel Kingston was seen as fourth choice through friendly. So suddenly, Rachel Kingston Baba Baya number 1. And they go 2006 World Cup.
Yeah.
At a point, he rated one of the best goalkeepers about World Cup. No, he was part of it.
And even and also the same say nearby to folk supporters then NTS because will be through the qualifiers were remember so why the sudden change.
Yes, no one sees here, but Sanet here. And at a point, Minu name say Rachel Kingston, not just for Ghana but Africa. Now pay one of the finest goalkeepers I know. Even their course our World Cup no. So I became our World Cup no 2006 World Cup. And a normal fast start no need Kakasias. And the most
one-on-one say oh bobo a piano no pie.
Perfect. Only Kakasias. And me goalkeeping department no me o mo agency so say obia ni one position here safe. And you biem I know 5 goalkeepers. Just say bibia bitimi asi because per report to cry here to a camp no. It say no Benjamin Nasaimbo. Onye safe sa 100% because bruh agbesi boy no onim go ni da pa we are aware me aware onim go ni da ye onim go ni da at a point dreams echo Africa me no nyina hu and me remfi say how to folk kra no agbesi rather and number 1 goalkeeper no mo pe okay
yeah
prior to say opra no na nye Benjamin Asare na mo top most priority no aka Kobe before all free bofo
go stars no
because that guy another good goalkeeper. Who says West Steady Ghana critically? Adia Baku aye like wo hanom. Goalkeeping department. Offer your leg ne quite generally. Adia Baku aye like. Yes, adia no. Enti no e hono enye dan deal. E mo obi amani trim enye ne de. One area ye key eno. And I'm happy say no say because for quite some time now, Ghana near bre was our department, no, near bre pa. So I'm happy says our competition, no, Abba. Cause baby I connect creme de la creme na no mu kwa koshi. Bra. Hurricane bet me up punish one more swash. Until I was here making sure say the best in echo. Whoever ever drop on so me muna we enye muna na enye bufo uti enye the end of the world. Because enye obi an bet me na ko. And I wouldn't say me bo. Unya kwanya mbokra say ye to nsa dia frɛ mbokra no. E boa build will play on the profile. And the Benjamin Asaya na nim no. And so him say Benjamin Asaya say ni mu edru mo chen say de ni anim no. Me boa. Won enkrofo kra ba ne ho a omo pese omo ne partner ne ade. So wanga so hu bi.
Yeah.
And yes, our Black Stars opportunity ya. And our man and the brand Echo Shota. And the Solomon Agbesi a plus kasia pa de mano. Drew baby na wo ye di ukra na ebem. And ya no ne Drew baby anam kana ye stress. Sanka be ya nkenya local players e bia 5 or 6 bia. Nanka ye sre. Menka say chinchine try. But no me fan yama from the perspective say. Yeah boy and lake. Bro, the moment out here, obefra foreign player e bia obeko. Or kwa make up just a squad or mobile
or a squad player because obi opa in pass say o shade ni pa brad here as a bed down to the wire and kebia
yes me o shade ni ya basane man of course obefa from a different perspective o shade brad yes because me na ade ni who say and kayako competition na efe e bia yabo Virginia Meka Abranti, you bejo. Asante Kotoko menka say chinchina try say also no, of course so be first squad no ahwe so bet me 15 to reta. Enti enye ne sana meka. But na me hwe say bro, ya Asante Kotoko. Wanya ne de e bia me de ma bi nso anya ne de ba ko bi e wo ho. E bia dreams nso anya ne de ba ko bi. E ba sa mind you sa players no, ye boase pese ye leg ne branding yi. More now wunya local players in Zoom. No. In a way, you are branding the league because a World Cup near the biggest stage. What you say? At the same time,
baby, actually, my dreams you cry. Say now, Mediama Air for Africa. Yamfa na say Mediema player Eka Blasters
squad. Say bia Salim Adams ana Felix Chebia yes.
Eka wan yede ne call World Cup. Yakọ ebi kura wenye bi ammo. Fine yaba. Say ye call CAF Champions League game other opponent ni profile Mediema players na. Kwa we ne call Black Stars no. Okay, hey, any team na yard.
Exactly.
The who club
and beyond that no one what else am a player na ankasa no the profile kosro mo say koba be say Mediema beton ha say when your national team call up she boys ni bi omo ani abra ya na mo ntia so obi anani abra ufu so anya ni sika wie but still all pushes obenya national team just na sa anya bibia o
okay
obi on mo e deal or de kwakwe but outie obi on mo e deal
and after first season
ufu say Baba Rahman send the contract no e last oh baby owi pao ufu say den e man ni abre mo dwene sa de ne ho
okay
mo adwene ba so enti sa de man nyina aka ho enti yansu no as a nation and kebetimi atena se structure ne na make us say don't blame the FE but e bia nka de o betimi ene say o betimi as technical handlers no say madam e do baby a aketimi nya quota be 4 and 5 bia because your league na you sue for sponsorship but the moment abenya players be 4 5 every league mu aircon a brand new league ninti be do baby kra no sponsorship no bebre ni nyina e ba mu bi. Secondly, one more exposure. Tell me, every year by your refuse I do no. Switzerland do no. Then the side do no buy. Of course, let me say Nkomo bebre akoso class bi ni ade.
But moment I wouldn't call World Cup there. It means
and go starting free side friendly na ya ne Switzerland e boy ni the performance no. Na Nkofo nu say kai akwa talent. But all to be make sure I say was akwa World Cup. Aboa. Minia ye wie na ye ITC a player na to na apart from say sika no air club
ebetene de nya na
French be se voila mebo sika na nya ya say oto Baba Rahman na ITC no say ye njim free ye na FE ho mebo so the premise am de mensem free eba see sometimes you consider sanya man nso eboa
okay
and eba san so utie so be bollig no nye so desperate say tinchina you say baby ameko ti say dey do baby Yusuf Mubarak Mediema center back Okoya could do Nepal. Mubarak could do ho. Because I question and that's what's but in the moment Ombo was a player, they was now some bon local league here. You bet me for the Blasters proper. Edu one cup meet me ako. Edu akona michiam. Brauka said they besi. Ebasa who say encourage boys no. And now kwantu hu bia no ombeko. And the cousin su kudi saiba. Benjamin Asari. Says why big man was so away.
Oh sir make I say
everybody
the boys crumpo ni omu training our manya has players no I think a week before so on because me say yes so atoto gloves ni ade e dey massa boys no ni omu training no so ni nyina no yeah
perfect so e be players no sa na mani nyina motivate you omo
okay
na mum ye kan nso utu akrafo no na utu mo no nso fo
players na nka
nso mo modern bono ye ni brabre na ye kan mo modern bono etesai emeritus I call up na and musune mo bind because bro ma me try ade bi ade aye kan enwe bi abesi atwam ko one of the finest center backs and we are seeing anim was Samuel Osaikufo big time achiever
no da mo bo DV poker cup no okọ trophy no mo de ba be che only one player is it
two guys
only one player and mo so trophy no mo de che
he is a legend utie coach enya kukodro e drop no Djokovic e drop no onim de ente wan show after some mistake no onim de man e kukodro we had a certain Sila Iliasu tiedi no Sila Iliasu kai Sila Iliasu
oh of course
akwadim bobo anu na odi ni replace no mewa bra Sila Iliasu so am good ni hu animu ase right from the local scene because that time no yem players so quality no maturity level no na wosoro enti unsuro o de ne ba IMCC bia nim o de bebo obeba boniye Sila Iliasu boy am asenvenga ehu no so it tells you say monsu ye kan ni abra ye kan no wo modern bona wo bon etesei eye de ye betimi de ani ato so anya akukoduro because who said do baby na yensan trafo no ye kakra na say hu san wa achiro time na ye de dan kwa mo ko no say na ehu ni achi
David na Kofi Garden be babo ni yin
dankwe kwa unsuro
unsuro
bibo bra time na man no say for the general a local league na obo but our captain Black Stars me kai Ghana and Liberia Ghana and Nigeria sa train no boy e dru baby am for say oil ne dey exchange no our captain they be a foreign into your why because born now born no nsu ni mbopa enti yem players ne nso quality no any level ne nso e ka ho because ye can betimi aba an emergency situation now was say ye drop burger now obo e be accumulated cast e be a pre aba bra ubenya kukodro di wo play ana wo kana e be anu e din ye company e dru honom na say sa stage no obetimi abo because yo now crepa ni so omo Africa he yawo confederations ne Champions League except Dreams FC and see who the performance what me boy ya call semi-finals and mediama and so performance generally omo Africa ne kra na anu ya de no uti anu pom ntimi mbo omo kom ntimi mbo abo ba ku mienu patim no abafie player wo wani dane so a ye jeje ne so ha no opie kura bra onchetew
so yen enter on other tune because you were time for you know
me da say but o memra hat to focus you ne so ade ba ko amenu nyina te ya ye ho dwiri ye yie ene say hat to folk ye te say didi dramani empanyimfo agya ne kwan now empanyimfo agya ne kwan wie no me bear revelations bi e wo ha about Adriana Stars game me kan e ho asem e wo ha